you're all winners already.
Thank you very much for joining. Welcome to Yamaha Motor Europe.
Today is not anymore a training room, this is an exam room. The exam, the test that we prepared, will test you up to the bones.
So please go to your station. Good luck.
Also this year is 70 years anniversary for our Yamaha Motor Corporation.
First one who goes to Japan, Johan Ferreira from Spain. Second place, Gökhan Ersoy from Turkey. I think this guy is going to be really excited. Liam Coffey from the UK.
Pretty nervous about Japan now.